hardest part wasn't losing everything. It was figuring out who I was afterward. That's a quote from today's guest's upcoming book. And honestly, I think that one sentence alone says more than most people realize. How do you rebuild after shame, after collapse, after losing the identity you thought defined you? And maybe the biggest question of all, how do you stop believing that your worst moment is who you are forever?
So in that moment, it felt like my life had been reduced to a headline. And really that's a terrifying thing because headlines don't have any context with them. I was afraid that this one story would become the only story that people would ever associate with me. So in many ways, that was the beginning of the deepest part of the identity crisis that I would ultimately go through. The way people saw me afterward forced me to face the possibility that I might never be seen as anything more than those actions. And that was kind of devastating to me. It's accepting full responsibility without accepting the idea that I was only my worst decision. So, anyway, related to identity, one of the most powerful lessons that I've learned is that identity becomes dangerous when it's built entirely on what you do rather than who you are, you know? But what I went through back then has caused me to have this clarity of who I am, of who I was, of where things went wrong. And that is so incredibly important because I couldn't be out here doing the work that I'm doing without that. So would I go back and change it? No, it's very much who, I needed to go through that to be here. And pain without direction will destroy you, but pain with purpose can transform you, which is 100% what happened. One person to separate shame from identity, which is a process I've gone through, or one person to believe that their worst chapter doesn't have to become their final chapter, then the pain has been redeemed in some way. I uh I hope people walk away from the book truly believing one thing above all else, and that's that your worst chapter may very well be real, but it doesn't have to be final.
Sometimes people need to hear the reminder that their worst chapter just does not have to become their identity entirely, right? It's a moment, yeah, but it doesn't have to become your life.